Hi, welcome to Google Classroom tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to log into Google Classroom. First, you need to launch any browser, and from this browser, type in the word classroom.google.com on the address bar, then hit enter. So you will be routed to the sign in screen. All you have to do is type in your username, then hit next, and you will also be required to type in for your password, and then hit next. You will be routed to the main page, and you simply click continue here. This is the main page of your Google Classroom. This is where you will be able to see the classes you are enrolled and the classes that you have created.